Hello everybody, this is Dr. Sherry from Natural Health and Yoga. Welcome to my group, Natural Health and Yoga. You know, every Tuesday at 4 p.m. I talk about a topic. That topic depends on my interest. So if you are interested in any kind of topic, you can let me know, so I will talk about it more. Today I'm going to talk about inflammation, mucus, and what we can do to reduce mucus, inflammation in our bodies. I'm going to share 5 secrets to resolve mucus and inflammation. So my request is over here to stay with me all the way to the end of session. This session might take like more than 30 minutes, so I appreciate your time and you will learn valuable information. I'm going to share the secrets of natural health solutions, holistic health solutions to reduce mucus and inflammation. As you slowly trickle in, say hi so I can see you. You could join me and let me know if you can hear me very well, if you can see me very well. I'll be glad to know what you do. So where are you from? Feel free to type it in the message box. Try to engage, and when I ask questions, try to answer questions in the chat box. Comment below. So if you have in case any questions, feel free to write down your questions in the chat box. The more you engage and the more questions you ask, the more you can learn and the more valuable information I will share with you. So let me know as you start coming and that you can hear me and see me. I'm going to ask 3 easy questions, so feel free to answer in the comment box. The first is, have you ever had like mucus? Have you felt that you have sinus inflammation going on, mucus is going on, and what have you done? If there is mucus going on or sinus inflammation, what have you done? Have you been looking for any kind of holistic health, natural health solutions? Have you been dealing with frequent coughing or chronic airway obstruction? If your answer is yes, you are in the right place, because today I'm going to talk about and share the secrets of holistic health solutions to resolve your mucus problem. So ask your questions in the chat box. Imagine if you could become mucus free, if you could become allergy symptoms free, and there was no coughing, no blocked airways, so you did not have any lungs or bronchitis problem. I'm gonna help you out to actually achieve your desired outcomes. In case there is mucus going on and you want the holistic health solutions, I'm gonna share the secrets, and I want you to stay with me. Question is over here. My holistic health solutions are holistic, all inclusive, and it is like customized only for you. Now, it depends on everybody's health condition, because everybody is different, so I will create customized solutions for you. Some people like to take action and practice what they learn. That would be the best for them. Some people who do not take action, the cost of inaction will be more suffering, more pain, and the illness become chronic over time and will cause lots of other health problems. You know, the excess mucus blocks the airways and reduces respiratory efficiencies, so it can lead to frequent coughing that irritates the tissues and even causes more mucus production. So my suggestion over here is to find natural solutions for mucus problem as soon as you can. I'm going to talk about the root causes of mucus problem, what are the signs and symptoms, and what are the complications, and finally I will talk about the solutions that I have for you, which are holistic and all natural, all inclusive, and there is no harm on the solutions that I will suggest you. So just stay with me and we will talk about it more. If you have answered to my questions that you have experienced mucus and respiratory inflammation, you are in the right place, because I'm gonna share the secrets with you. And over here, if you implement more, if you practice what you learn more, the better results you get. It's all about practicing what you learn. So in case there are some pain points and you want to ask me any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box. If you're a busy mom who has been struggling with physical and emotional aspects of mucus, allergy, and respiratory problems, just stay with me, because I'm gonna share the some of the natural health solutions that are easy, cost effective, and takes less time to experience positive results. So just stay with me. It might take like 30 to 60 minutes, but if you have the patience, your reward will be long lasting. Okay, now try to participate and let me know what is your opinion while I'm talking about this topic. Why this topic is important? Because if we do not pay attention to the mucus accumulation in the sinus, the head area, over the long term we can see chronic cough, lungs problem, and even weak immune system. So that is why it's important to pay attention. If there is mucus going on, the sooner you act, the better results you will get. If you have been struggling with mucus and inflammation in the sinuses, sometimes you feel you like headache and pain, and also the blockage of airway could lead to cough. So there are holistic health solutions to resolve, and I'm here to educate you, to inspire you, and give you the solutions in order to improve the quality of your life. If you practice what I teach you, you will gain vitality, your energy level improves, you become more confident, and you can not only help yourself, but you can help other people who are surrounding you. You will have less suffering, and you become mucus free over time. And the great reward is that when we reduce inflammation in your body, not only your lungs and respiratory function improves, over time you will feel how your other organs will improve, the pain and suffering disappears over time. So it's rewarding once you listen, follow, and practice what you learn. My solutions are unique and customized. It's according to my knowledge and experience. I've had clients who have been practicing it and got the results. For example, I had a client, she came to me and she was complaining headaches. After I did a whole health evaluation, I find out, sinuses are engaged, and especially she told me she gets more headache in winter and cold season. After evaluation was done, I find out, okay, this is related to the sinuses, inflammation in the mucus, the head and face area. So I suggested her to try reducing inflammation in the whole body, because it's not only in the face area, it could be related to her immune system, it could be related to other organs of her body. We did our best to reduce inflammation over time. After 3 months, she could feel, okay, now my headache is gone, or I have less headache. And she told me that respiratory difficulty and coughing disappeared over time, and she feels that she has more energy, and feels she has lost a little bit of weight. And these are the results that she got because of practicing what I taught her to reduce inflammation in her body. Okay, any questions? Are you still with me? Good. All right, now let me introduce myself before we start. My name is Dr. Sherry. I've been teaching yoga Pilates for more than 15 years, and I'm a doctor of traditional naturopathy. I do practice holistic health consultation, and my base is in Orange County, California. And in case you need holistic health solutions to resolve your health problems, to help yourself and heal yourself naturally, I'll be available for you. I do offer holistic health solutions online. In case you're interested, we can schedule a Zoom call, and feel free. I can offer you the first session for free, so you can ask your questions. I can give you some resolutions, the natural ones, which have no side effects and are effective over time. So I have different packages for everybody, and it's worth it to invest in your health. Feel free to reach me with any questions you may have. You can okay, now let's talk about mucus. Now can you imagine that you are mucus free and you can get rid of headaches and those persistent coughing? So if you can imagine that, actually I have the solutions for you to reach to that point of your dream, or what you can imagine. We are here to find solutions to clear the mucus and clear the airways without mucus and cough. So I have the roadmap for you, and I want you to practice what you learn. If you practice it, you will have more time, you will have more energy, you will have better life quality, and it's rewarding because you have been practicing the holistic health solutions. Okay, I'm gonna share some secrets with you, and I want your permission. Type yes in the chat box if you are ready to listen. I'm gonna give you the homework. So it's a practical homework. I want to do something and take a picture of it and make a video and share in this group. As I promised, there are a few tips and tips and secrets that I will share it with you. And over here, let's talk about, I want you to have a pen and pencil to write down what you learned. And I have some free resources for you in case you're interested. I will send it to your email. There are some signs and symptoms of mucus. When there is mucus accumulation going on, what is mucus? The first thing Mucus is clear fluid that produces in the nose. That clear fluid in the nose is called mucus. What's the difference of mucus with phlegm? Phlegm is a form of mucus that is produced by the lungs. It indicates the presence of inflammation in the lungs and airways. So phlegm is different than mucus. Phlegm is in the lungs, mucus is in the nose. In response to the inflammation, excess mucus is produced. This can block the small airways and reduce respiratory efficiency. For example, in chronic airway obstruction, we can notice frequent coughing, which further irritates tissues and causes even more mucus production. So, the goal is reducing inflammation in the lungs and preventing respiratory problems like coughing. So, the cause of that coughing is obstruction of those airways. Now, question is here: what are the causes of mucus? Why do we get mucus? And share your knowledge with me. Type in the chat box. Okay. I can say anything that irritates mucous membrane can cause them to produce excess mucus. That including health condition, a bacterial or viral infection in the body. Sometimes allergy could be the cause of mucus. Sometimes cigarette smoking would be the cause of mucus accumulation in the body. And finally, sometimes is IBS or irritable bowel syndrome related to the mucus and inflammation in the sinuses. Now, question over here: what are the risk factors? Risk factors to mucus and inflammation. First is age, because the older we get, the inflammation, the more inflammation we will have. Although it depends on the lifestyle, you know, what we eat and how we exercise, or what are other habits. But usually there is high inflammation in elderly people. Hormonal change can have a role in mucus because you know, some of the hormones like thyroid has the main role in balancing the inflammation in the body. So usually those who have hypothyroidism have high inflammation, and it can lead to mucus and sinus problems. The family history also has a role, because gene and heredity. Some of the organs are weaker than others in some people, so heredity can have a role too. The other risk factors for mucus is stress management and jobs. You know, some of the jobs which are like high stress jobs, it can weaken the immune system, and the weak immune system leads to high inflammation and mucus accumulation. And finally, lifestyle. It depends on the foods that we eat. Do we do exercise or not? How is our stress level? What are our life habits? Do we smoke or not? So these are all the risk factors that can have roles in mucus accumulation in the body. Does it make sense? Type in the chat box. Let me drink. Good. Complications. Some of the complications of mucus accumulation are like short breath, or the mental health disorder could be related to the lack of oxygen to the brain, because the more inflammation we have, the less oxygen we get because of airway blockages. So that lack of oxygen can lead to mental health disorders in long term. And other long-term diseases, for example, chronic lungs problem, are related to the mucus accumulation in the sinuses and also lungs. That's why it's important to avoid mucus accumulation in long term and find the solutions as soon as you can. Do not let it become chronic. Now over here is question is, why should I look for holistic health solutions? What are the advantages of holistic health program that I offer? How different could be the holistic health solutions with the mainstream treatments? My holistic health approach is all inclusive. It includes physical, emotional, and mental aspects of your health. It's not only for the physical body, but also it helps emotional and mental body. So I do my best to understand the whole person, and I educate you how to control of your own health. My solutions are non-harming because I do not involve any kind of chemicals, so there is no side effects of chemicals involved, and I avoid suppression of symptoms. So I want to find out the root causes of your health problem and resolve it from the roots to the top. The solutions that I offer are all natural, and we try to stay in harmony with the nature. So I do my best to establish, maintain, and restore your health from the base to the top. My role is over here to facilitate this natural healing process and identify, remove the obstacles. If you could join me, let me know that you are here. Let me know you can hear me and you can see me. Type yes in the chat box. So I'm glad to see you. Welcome to my live session. Today we are talking about mucus and sinus inflammation. What can we do? What are the natural health solutions to resolve those sinus and mucus problems? It's important. Why? Because we can reduce inflammation over time if we see the holistic health approach and practice it. So what I offer, it's holistic health solution, and it is unique. You can restore a healthy internal and external environment because your body accepts and absorbs the natural solutions better. We are part of the nature, and your body is able to accept it and absorb it better. No chemical is involved in my holistic health solutions. I do my best to fill the gap. Usually when there is a gap between physician and patients on educating. I will educate you what to do, how to resolve your health problems, how to change your diet and modify your lifestyle so you become healthier and happier over time. My holistic health solutions identify and treat the cause of the problem. I want to see what are the root causes of your mucus problem. From there, once I find out the root causes, I see the symptoms as the expression of your body, and your body is trying to heal itself. So over here, we need to help your body to get rid of that mucus over time. We help your body to reduce inflammation, and the healing of journey is not only physically but also emotionally, mentally, and I will help you to achieve to those levels of not only physical body but also emotional and mental body improvement. We see the symptoms as the expression of your body to heal itself. So I do not suppress your symptoms. I use those symptoms to help your body heal itself. Another advantage of my holistic health program is that my emphasis is on prevention. So you will spend less time, less energy, and it has low cost, and it is more effective over time. I'm here like a doctor, like a teacher. But there is cooperation between you and me, and I'm over here to educate you, encourage you to take the responsibility of your own health. I'm like a catalyst for change, empowering you, motivating you, supporting you to feel the results. So, mm, the goal is over here having hope, knowledge, and understanding that you will achieve your ultimate health goals. Uh, Over here, you are a sister, you are a mother, or you're leader of your family, and once you take care of yourself, you can take care of other family members. So self-care matters, and once you are healthy, you can help your other family members to be healthier too. The goal over here in my holistic health solution is prevention, and we focus on preventing chronic diseases. Why? Because we want to improve the quality of your life. The sooner you go and choose holistic health care, the better results you can get. You will prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, memory loss, and even we can prevent cancer when we follow holistic health solutions. So it's important to practice, and the younger you are, the more effective it is. My emphasis on prevention. How can we do it? We create positive habits in your lifestyle, and we reduce those risk factors which can cooperate or engage in the cause of the health problems. So the goal over here, my role is appropriate intervention and reducing your risk to the mucus accumulation in the body, for example here. So here are 4 secrets of physical aspects to better health. What we can do, the first is physical. Now I'm gonna share the secrets. Are you ready? Yes? If you are still with me, type in the chat box, say yes, I'm ready, so I'll share the secrets with you. There are, the secrets that I'm gonna share it with you is not only for the physical body, but also emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of your health are important. So the first pillar of the health is physical body. How you can maintain your physical body. It could be your diet, it could be the supplements, vitamins that you take, it could be the exercise that you practice. So it depends on your habits. What are your habits? And those long-term habits can lead to better health or illnesses. So it's important to consider the habits that we create. Now, the first thing that I'm going to talk about is about nutrition, and some of the foods can be our medicines. And for example, in order to reduce your mucus inflammation in your body, you can have some kinds of food which are decongestants and reduces inflammation in your body. For example, some of warm spices can temporarily clear your sinuses. If you want a kind of example, I can tell you like paprika or some peppers or like warm spices, especially if we use it in the fall and winter time, we can notice how it reduces mucus in the sinuses, nose, and help to improve your health condition. That is one of the food recommendation, especially in winter time, to reduce mucus. Another solutions that I would suggest would be the healing food that you can use to reduce inflammation is honey. For example, if you want to reduce inflammation in bronchial tubes and in your lungs, try to have 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it in hot water and drink it 3 times a day. So honey has, especially the raw honey and the original honey that originates from the bees and comes from the nature, has best healing effects on your health. So there are a lot of other food and medicine and nutrition. I can talk about it. I can send you the resources. In case you're interested, feel free to reach me in the DM or type free resources. I will send them directly to your email. Sometimes some of the vegetables can be healing for mucus, reduce mucus in your body because of high potency of vitamins. So in case you're interested, I will send them to your email box. Some of the nuts are like healing for the mucus reduction. For example, almonds is a great source of silicon. Silicon is a kind of mineral that helps to loosen up the mucus and actually clear your sinuses. So I would suggest trying almonds and adding almonds to your daily diet. Helps to reduce mucus. And also what I suggest, oats. For example, having oats, which is a kind of a source of fiber to your body. It's a great source of silicone and reduces inflammation in the sinuses and helps to clear mucus in your body. So there are also other food sources to reduce inflammation. Feel free to ask me or reach me in the DM. Type food sources. I will send you plenty of resources that I have, and I will share my experience and knowledge with you in your email. Now, another suggestion in order to reduce mucus in your body is drink plenty of water. Drinking water helps to improve hydration in your body, and hydration clears congestion. So try to have 8 glasses of water every day to loosen up those mucus and expel it from your body and let your body eliminate that. There are some foods that you need to avoid. For example, some of inflammatory foods, some of the processed foods are not recommended, especially fried foods. For example, if you have like feeling mucus is going on, you have feeling flu-like symptoms, try to avoid fried foods like kind of, I can say, chips or fries. That kind of fried foods increases inflammation in the body, so try to avoid it in especially in fall or winter season when you feel mucus is high in your nose and lungs. And also it's important to mention over here, sometimes some of inflammatory foods, one of the inflammatory foods is coffee. Some people are more sensitive to coffee, and coffee can increase inflammation in your body. So the first thing that I would suggest to avoid is coffee when there is mucus going on. Now, how nutrition relates to your emotions, depends. Your emotions can be affected by the food that you eat, and be aware of that. And if you see there is like sad emotion going on, or long-term sad emotion can lead to lungs diseases and respiratory problems. So just to consider that, so you need to release that sad emotion. One of the ways that I would suggest practicing yoga, heart openers, breathing exercise in order to reduce that sad emotion. Good. Now I'm gonna share the secret 2. Are you ready? Yes? There are a lot about to talk about food as a medicine and the food sources to reduce inflammation. In case you are interested, I can send you to your email. So let me know. I will send them directly to you. The vitamins. Sometimes the vitamins deficiency could be the cause of mucus accumulation in the body. For example, lack of vitamin A is another cause of mucus accumulation. And if you take vitamin A, which is oily vitamin, it helps to reduce mucus and lower the blockages in the airways and reduce also respiratory problems. Also minerals, sometimes some mineral deficiency is another cause of mucus accumulation. And for example, potassium deficiency is the cause of mucus. If you want more information, I can send them to you. The third secret is some of the herbs can help you reduce inflammation in your body. So I will let you know the plant medicine. Some of the plants can be have medicinal effect to reduce mucus in sinus. For example, green tea is one of the best to reduce inflammation, help you to lose weight, and also chamomile tea with honey is the best to loosen phlegm and suppress the cough and also boost your immune system. Okay, now the secret 4. Are you ready? I'm going to talk about the exercise and yoga. Some of yoga postures helps you lower inflammation in your sinus and lungs and prevent bronchitis. Yoga is integration of movement with breathing exercise, and some of the yoga exercises for like Salamba Shirshasana, that is like a kind of headstand, and inversion pose that the head is down, legs are up, improves circulation to the head and loosen up the mucus and stops excess mucus discharges. So you can try that, and I'm going to demonstrate in case you are interested. Another posture is Uttanasana, that usually we bend forward and head to the knee, and helps to prevent bronchitis. So if you want to know more about it, I can demonstrate and I'll send them the video to you. Let me know. I will keep you updated. Now, another solutions that I have in order to help your sinus is breathing. Some breathing exercise, especially in yoga practice, we have different breathing exercise. One of them is called Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. That one is the one that we block the left nostril. We breathe in through the right, slowly, steadily, hold on to it for a few seconds, breathe out through the right nostril. Now block the right nostril, breathe in through the left, breathe out through the left. Alternate again. Breathe in through the right, breathe out through the right nostril. Again, block the right nostril, breathe in through the left, breathe out through the left nostril. So this is a breathing practice. If you want to feel your nostrils, feel your sinuses, and see what is going on. Usually this is a kind of self-awareness to know which nostril is clogged. in case there is a blockage in one of your nostrils, that means there is a mineral deficiency going on, and you can feel free to reach me. I will help you with more solutions to see what minerals are deficient and what would be the best solutions for you. Now, some of the mudras that we practice in yoga, for example, the mudra for the ring finger and a small finger, these two fingers are the mudras for mucus reduction in the body and helping your lungs function. So while holding the while practicing meditation, you can hold this mudra in order to stimulate your lungs and open up the airways. Good. Any questions? Good? All right. The emotional body, too much sad emotions is can be the cause of lungs problems. So you're gonna reduce those sad emotions. How can you do it? One of the ways is practicing yoga, like chest openers, expanding the chest and letting oxygen flow to your lungs. Hold on to it for a few seconds while breathing out, softening, releasing. We can practice together, breathing, expanding, opening up the heart center. Breathe out, softening and releasing. Breathing, breathe out. And also the fourth pillar in order to improve the oxygenation to your lungs is expanding the heart center, and also emotionally I would suggest socializing, having more connection to other people. Socializing makes your heart happy and releases sad emotions. So try to socialize more in order to keep your fourth chakra open. Now, and also I will suggest a meditation and relaxation in order to reduce stress. Stress has a main role in increasing inflammation in our bodies. So once we get used to practicing relaxation and meditation, we can manage our stress better, reduce tension, and also lower inflammation in our bodies. Now, let me know if this what I've talked about makes sense, or what is your takeaway today. I'm gonna tie all of this together, so let me know what is your biggest takeaway today. Today we talked about the mucus accumulation in the body. What are the root causes of mucus accumulation? What are the risk factors we talked about? I talked about the story of my client who had mucus accumulation and sinus problem. And also I talked about complications, why it's important to pay attention to mucus accumulation and find out the holistic health solutions. What are the advantages of holistic health solutions to reduce inflammation and mucus in your body? I talked about the secrets of holistic health solutions in order to reduce inflammation in your body and reduce congestion, get rid of mucus and sinus problems. Those solutions were for the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual body. We talked about the nutrition, what kind of food can be your medicine. I talked about the vitamins and minerals that will help you. I talked about herbs or plant medicine that helps to reduce the signs and symptoms of a sinus and also reduce inflammation. I talked about the emotional aspect, how to balance your emotion and breathing exercise. Also, the exercise, physical exercise, which was the yoga postures I talked about. I taught you the breathing exercise in order to expand your lungs and improve oxygenation to your lungs. And finally, relaxation and meditation in order to manage the stress. So these are all we've talked about today, and now I'm gonna give you homework. Your homework over here is that to practice the breathing exercise that I taught you today in order to feel your airways or nostrils and see which one is clogged. Usually one of the nostrils are clogged, so I want you to practice this one. You can just replay the video and practice the breathing part. Let me know which one of your nostrils was closed, so I can help you to balance and actually open up the airways and nostrils. So let me know, practice it, type in the comment box which one of your nostrils were clogged. Okay, this is your homework. You will get reward for your homework. Those who answer the question will get their reward. Also, I offer some free ebooks. In case you are interested, type ebooks in the chat box. I will send them directly to your email. And I'm over here to have a positive impact in your life, improve the quality of your life. And my job over here is giving you getting you to get the results. Once you get the positive result, even the micro result, that is the point we are looking for, because I want you to practice it to get the results. I have some specialized custom strategies for you, because everybody is different. So if you want those customized solutions, you can reach me in DM, in private messages. I can schedule you a free Zoom call and offer you my free session in order to find out what strategies work the best for you. You know, everybody is different, so the solutions for you could be specialized, customized only for you. And it is rewarding. Why? Because over the long term, you will feel how you have reduced inflammation, how you have improved your memory, improved your productivity, how you have saved money and have less pain and suffering. So it's worth it to invest in your holistic health solutions and prevent chronic future health problems. The mistakes that my clients make, usually they postpone it, or neglection is the problem. That neglection, can lead to chronic health problems, more pain, more suffering, and it becomes worse over time. So the treatment will be harder and harder. So my suggestion over here is holistic health solutions are effective, especially if you are in the middle age and you believe in prevention, so it works on you. I need you to be committed to practice it. If you are the one who is committed, if you are the one who is coachable, you will get rewarding health outcomes. Your health outcomes will be less suffering, less pain, and you will feel rejuvenation, happiness, better life quality, and longevity. So over here, my capacity is limited, so I can accept only 2-3 people. In case you are interested, you can reach me in my private message box. I will schedule you a free Zoom call to discover how I can help you better than before. But I need a person who is committed to practice. If you are the one who is committed, have patience to practice my holistic health solutions, you will get the result, and that is the point I'm looking for. So feel free to reach me. The best, whose best choice is my program? I am the bridge between where you are to where you want to be. Natural health is like a journey. I'll take you from here to all the way to where you want to be. And you need to be qualified in order to participate in my program. My expectation is some of the qualifications. If you are a busy mom who have had health problems and it's been longer than several months, it's become chronic gradually, you are the one I can help you a lot. If you have tried mainstream treatment unsuccessfully, you are the one I can help you with the holistic and natural health solutions. If you are tired of suppression of the symptoms, holistic health is one of the best choices that you can try. I need you to be committed to long-term results and outcomes, because holistic is not temporary relief. It takes time to get the result. Once you get it, it stays longer with you, because we find out the root causes of the problem and we create a strong foundation step by step until we reach to the top of your health goals. I'm looking for a person who is friendly and coachable to create healthy habits. I will follow it up. I will support you to get you the results. So if you are the one, you can reach me. If you are the one who has tried all kind of mainstream treatment without success, holistic health care is one of your best choice. And holistic health is an investment in your health, eliminating toxins from your body, improving your life quality, and the result will be rejuvenation, happiness, and the best life quality. I'm here to support you. I take you from where you are to where you want to be. So I want you to be qualified to take my natural health journey. If you are the one, type natural health journey in the chat box. Good? Holistic health is about power of making decision and having your own choice. You will get the results once you practice it, once you implement what I teach you. I will support you to get the result. I do not want anybody who is going to postpone it or trying to do neglection or something like that. I want somebody who is committed to practice what I teach. You will get best health results, and your health is your best wealth. You're investing in right now, and you will get result in near future. The sooner you choose holistic health, the better results you will get, because holistic is about resolving your health problems from the roots. You will save money, you will save energy, you will save your time, and plus you don't suffer for long term, because holistic is about improving and enjoying your quality life. My suggestion is over here, act now, because today you are younger than tomorrow, and you will get better result in less time when you are young. It is easier to get result the sooner we act, so it's not waste of your energy and time. It has less cost and you're saving your time and money. You will have less suffering, less pain over time, because you're improving the quality of your life. We are solving the problem from the roots to the top, so it does not accumulate over time. We do not suppress the symptoms, so you will experience faster recovery in young age. There is no suppression of symptoms, no suffering from the side effects of chemicals. So our goal is creating strong foundation. You will prevent chronic degenerative diseases, and you will have my support to feel the positive results. It's about hope for better future. Once you practice holistic health, you will have more hope for better future. You improve your productivity and your immune memory improves. You will have more energy, vitality, and it is rewarding over time. So if you are the one who is going to implement it, practice it, feel free to reach me. I'll be glad to help you out, to take you through the natural health journey. It is rewarding and you will feel the positive results. This is the limited time offer, and I can accept only limited quantity of people. I accept only 2-3 people who are the most committed ones. The prices are low right now. It's gonna all go up over time, so invest in your health right now to get the best results. Paying for holistic health is investment. It's not a cost, because you invest in your health, and your health is your best wealth. Take people into my programs. It's about changing your life habits and saving money and energy over time. So you can imagine you will be mucus free, your immune system will be stronger, you will have more energy, and you will have more productivity over time. I will take you to where you want to be. It's a lifelong value. It's like a transformational journey. You will rejuvenate, you will re-energize, you will have better memory, you will have better peaceful life quality. So it's all about practicing what you learn, and I'm here to support you to reach your health goal. Whatever you're dreaming about, I can take you there. So it's about transformation and investing in your whole health. Feel free to reach me with any questions or comments. I have very happy clients. I have the testimonials and feedbacks of my clients that I can share it with you in case you are interested. And I want you to be committed. I want you to be coachable, friendly, and truthworthy. Once you trust it, you will get the result. And the goal over here is taking actions to see the results. So I have different packages for different prices. Everybody's different, but my packages are all in one place. It's not one fits all. It's customized for you. Once you reach me, I will evaluate you to find out what is going on. According to your evaluation result, I'll give you customized solutions, and I will support you to get the optimal health results. My solutions are all non-harming. We do not suppress the symptom. I'll resolve the health problem from the roots to the top, and I'm here to support you to get the best result and prevent degenerative diseases, improve your productivity, improve your energy and memory, and that would be the best quality life that you have been wishing for or you can imagine. I have some free resources in case you are interested. I can share it with you. Feel free to type in the chat box free resources. I will send them to your email. I have bonuses and gifts for those who practice and do the homework. So if I see you have done the homework, I'll give you the gifts and I'll send them directly to you. Okay, any questions or comments, I'll be glad to answer. And I'm looking forward to helping you more in future. I will announce my next program in this group, and it will be in 2 weeks. Usually you see my schedule in this program, in this group, and once I schedule it, I will announce it ahead of time so you can join me. Try to join me live every Tuesday at 4 p.m. It could be every other Tuesday, but I will announce the exact date and time in this group. Just be mindful of that, and try to join me live so you can ask your questions. Even though you want to replay, that's fine. You can replay it, watch it, and feel free, once you watch the replay, type hashtag replay in the chat box so I can know you have seen the video. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment even though you watched the replay. Alright, have a great week ahead of you and wish you all the best. Take care of your health. Feel free to reach me with any questions and comments. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Thank you.